guys, welcome to Upnet Gadget Store. Right in front of me, I'm thrilled to showcase one of our systems from our stores, which is ZBook 15 G5. Now, let's dive into the features and benefits of this system. So this series of system comes in Core i7, 8th gen, processor speed 2.6 GHz, 2.5 GHz, installed RAM 16 GB RAM. Now let's move to the capacity of this system. It comes with 512 GB SSD. Here it is capacity 512 GB SSD. Also has an installed Windows on it, which is the latest Windows 11 Pro. Also has a keyboard light, which is also known as the backlight. The system has two Type-C ports and also the charging port. It has an HDMI port and USB port. Now to the other part, it has an internet LAN port. It also has two USB ports and also an SD card. So, having seen the features of this wonderful system, hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to our channel.